Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Valentina. I am a makeup lover and I like to test new makeup products that last all day and look good on my acne texture skin. And in today's video I'm going to test a new eyeshadow palette by Natasha Denona, and I'm going to show you how I created this makeup look. So if you like what you see and want to find out more, then keep on watching. I've already done my eyebrows and I have my foundation on. For my eyebrows, I've used this Brow Freeze by Anastasia Beverly Hills with the NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen in brunette. And for my foundation, I've used this Fenty Beauty Easy Drops Blurring Skin Tint. I really love this one. Very pretty with nice coverage. And for my concealer, I'm going to use this Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I will also use this as my eyeshadow primer. This Born This Way concealer is very good, but you have to set it fast. So I'm going to quickly set it by using this Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Blurring Under Eye Powder. I've used this many times here on my channel. It's very good for brightening and smoothing the under eyes, but I'm going to use it to set my under eyes and the eyelids because I use the concealer also on my eyelids. Moving on to bronzer, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty Tantour in the shade Light. I still love this bronzer and I use it all the time. I like to take the bronzer with a brush and then warm the product on the back of my hand before I will apply it on my face. I like to go over with my sponge with whatever's left from my foundation and blend out the edges. After I set everything with some powder, and for my powder I'm going to use this Maybelline New York Matte and Poreless. I'll press the powder into the skin with the Beauty Blender. I want a very soft blush for today, so I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me. This is Blush Colorette in 10 Buff. I like the finish of this blush. It's very pretty, very buildable, so you cannot be heavy-handed with it. It's very affordable and comes in many shades. To finish with the complexion products, I'm going to apply some highlighter, and for my highlighter I'm going to use this Dior Backstage, and I'm going to use a little bit of this. Moving on to the eyes, I have a new eyeshadow palette to test for today, and it's another eyeshadow palette by Natasha Denona. So for today I am going to test the Mini Reto palette. This is supposed to be the mini version of the bigger eyeshadow palette, so it's very nice that I have the chance to test some of the colors from the eyeshadow palette. The mini version of the retro eyeshadow palette, as you can see, comes in 5 different eyeshadow colors. This has 2 mattes and 3 glitter shades. This is how the eyeshadow palette looks like. I'm going to quickly swatch them on my hand, and I'm going to start with this shade and move on to next zone. Great pigment, they swatch very nicely, as you can see. I love these 2 glitter shades from here, are gorgeous. I'm very curious to see how they will look on my eyes. I don't know what look I'm going to do, but I know that I want to use everything from here. So I'm going to start with this all over the eyelids. There is a ton of fallouts with this one, so just keep that in mind. Use the same shade on my under eye. This shade is very easy to blend, has a ton of fallouts, but look very pretty. I like the tone of it, and I think this is perfect for an everyday look. I could just stop here and apply some mascara, and it's very pretty and nice. But I'm going to use this shade from here with a more precise brush. Next I'm going to apply this on the outer part of the eye. I think it's better applied with my fingers. Very pretty. Blending again the edges using the same brush. And then I'm going to use this one. And I'll finish with this glitter shade on my inner corner and here. Try to use this on my inner corner because it's very pretty. I will take this glitter shade on my lower lash line. I will blend everything again, and then I'm going to apply mascara. And for my mascara, I'm going to use this Size Up mascara by Sephora. I don't have any problems with this mascara. No flakiness, no smudging, stay put all day. So I really love this mascara. Let me show you on one eye. So this is how the mascara looks on one eye. It's very good, as you can see. So I'm going to apply this mascara on this eye and I will be right back. So these are my lashes with the mascara on, and I will move on to my lips. And for my lips I'm going to use this Pat McGrath Labs Divine Nude Liquid Lipstick. I think will go well with this look. This lipstick is not very long lasting, but the color is very pretty, so that's why I'm using it today. And I also love that you don't really need a lip liner because of the shape of the wand. So this is the finished makeup look. Final impressions on the Natasha Denona Mini Retro Eyeshadow Palette. You will have some fallouts on the matte shades from here, but it's not something very bad. The shadows are very pigmented. The glitter shades are just gorgeous, and I think they work better if you use your finger to apply on your eyelid. I really love the color story from here. I don't have anything like this in my collection. You could definitely use this eyeshadow palette for an everyday look, or you could do something for a night out with it. It's very nice. I have to say that my favorite shadows from here are these two, and also this one for an everyday look. I think really perfect. Just this with some mascara is great. So yeah, they blend very nice, great pigment, and if you like these colors, I definitely recommend you this eyeshadow palette. I really love how the eye look turned out. Please let me know your opinion in the comments down below. I would love to know. And also please let me know if you have this eyeshadow palette and if you like it. And all of the other makeup products used today, I've used them before on my channel, but I will list everything that I used in the description box below, so you could find everything there. But that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful and I hope that you like it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also ring the bell to be notified when I upload. I post every week, so make sure to hit the notification bell. I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!